Hey guys, I made these little tidbits, appetizers, with my melting vegan cheddar cheese. These are stuffed artichoke bottoms, and you can either buy fresh artichokes and enjoy eating all the leaves after they're cooked, and then saving the bottoms for stuffing, or you can get them in cans, or you can get them in the freezer aisle. These are canned. My grocery store does not carry frozen artichoke bottoms, and artichokes are very expensive out here. If you live near the coast where they grow, they're super cheap, but further away from the coast you get, the more the stores decide to charge for them. So I will have the recipes. I've sprinkled them with different like this one's sprinkled with chives, this one's sprinkled with red pepper flakes, this one's sprinkled with parsley. I'll have the recipe for these, and I will also be linking to the video for the cheese. I've been doing that with my videos that I'm using the vegan dairy foods that I've made in recipes. I will also link my previous video in case you missed it. And I want to thank all of the nice people who give my videos likes. I really, really appreciate it. It makes me feel good. And I want to thank everybody who watches. And let me taste it. I love this. It's so good. Those red pepper flakes give it a nice kick. This cheese is so creamy. Now, it melts, but, it doesn't make strings, and it doesn't spread readily. If you want to shred this cheese, probably better off to freeze it before you shred it. I chopped it, and once it got baked in the oven, I sort of smushed it around with my fork. I just chopped it into cubes. Smushed it around with my fork a little bit to spread it around a little. I also topped it with a little butter to help it out. And it's really good. You guys should try this, especially if you've never had artichoke bottoms. They're really yummy. I like it better than mushrooms. Okay. I'll see you later, guys.